cloud-based products, I'll also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So, if you're interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Me and you, yes, baby, we are on the road to success. Today, I am presenting to you with Apps Creator. I'm going to go inside the members area, show you everything that you need to know about this product, and I will be giving out some more helpful tips and tricks when it comes down to this review. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel if you feel like I have given you some helpful and valuable information. Let's get into this review. What's up, guys? It's your girl Key. We are now on the sales page. After we go through the sales page, we're gonna go in the members area. Guys, I just want to say, I'm not feeling it off rip. I'm not even gonna hold. I went through the members area and I was confused. It wasn't. Usually when I find like a product or something, it's super straightforward. It's easy to use. Like, I ain't got no second guessing. But this was the first one I actually literally second guessed, and I found another review and it was like, this is a no. And I went through it myself. And I'm like, yeah, it was right. So right here, this is a shiny object. When it comes down to shiny objects, people do this a lot, and I found myself in the beginning of my mission trying to make money online, bruh. I was buying a lot of shiny objects, thinking that I just gotta do 1, 2, 3, and boom, it's done over. I get money, but no, it's not like that, bruh. And some of these shiny objects, you don't really get support like that. And right here, you get a 365-day back. No, this is not what we're doing, guys. So I don't understand none of this, because when you go in the members area, they not even showing you how you're gonna get freaking money. It's nothing. It's only one freaking tutorial. I never met nothing like this. Like, you see, right, step 1, choose your own templates. You got step 2, customize. You got step 3, publish. And bro, but in the inside of the members area, they just showing you how to set up a freaking turn your website into an app. And you can do this. The way you make money is by outsourcing this to customers, right? So inside the members area, bro, you don't really get shown none of that. Like, training of it's not awesome, bro. And when I was watching the other review, they just put me on that when you go to the sales page, it says, I finally found SwiftSpeed, which allows me to build an app in one click. Like, where this is Apps Creator, so these are all SwiftSpeed. These are all like maybe the prior app or the prior software that this person has created, and they didn't upgrade. Like, they didn't even upgrade their wall. They use the same template. But let's go into the members area. So I won't. This is gonna be a short one. Honestly, I'm not gonna hold you. So you got home right here. This is the analytics of your apps, and I don't have no apps up. I tried to create one. It was really tedious. I'm not even gonna hold, but they have prior apps. So right here, this is the app generator. So when it comes down to you creating a website, when you're supposed to get training, so it's not no training, so I'm not supposed to tell you what you're supposed to do. So when it comes down to you trying to get this app creator, you are going to be prompted to get like customers, like big brands or whatever. Those brands gonna give you their link, and you're gonna put in their app, the app name, and you're gonna put in the same thing, and then you're gonna put a description about the app, and then you're gonna add a little logo just like this, and you're gonna hit confirm. And when you hit confirm, you get a link. I already made one. It was so confusing to me, bro. Look at this. So I just took this because I ain't got time to play. You already have a website right here, so I copy this. I go to app generating apps, and I put this link in there. I already had it right there, so I put that link. Put it in just whatever. So I'm just gonna put in GT just cause I can. GT. Put GT just to give you like a example. But they do go over this. They go over how you generate your app and how you set it up, whatever, in the site. But they never show you how do you contact people to actually make money. So, all right, so I put a little logo. I put like a picture I already had up there. So then you hit download and then you get these files, right? And inside these files, you save it. But let's go inside the files. They just give you, I forgot what they give you, but let's go inside. Okay, so all these files came with that one download. So I go all the way to instructions. And when it comes down to instructions, you gotta copy all of this and put it somewhere. And I don't know. Like it says, please add these details in your site. Upload these files in your website root opt-in. I don't even know what a root opt-in is. And then copy these codes and it is heads tag. I don't even know what that is. So this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna have to. Well, you're not gonna do this because you're not getting this. You're don't get this. Like, bro, this is literally a waste of time. You can literally go on Google and type in website to apps, and they got free versions, bro. Right here. This is Panda Suite. Convert your website to an app. Get started for free. So you got saved apps. That's where I got that link from. And then you got send notifications. Like I don't even see nothing. Like when they have something like that, like send notifications saying they supposed to have like multiple columns. I only see the numbers, the URL, and the notification. They don't even have like where you're supposed to write anything. And then you got this tutorial. It's like only one tutorial, and the guy, he not even saying nothing. He just moving his mouse around, not like really explain anything. He just wants you to follow him and watch the screen. So this whole tutorial, she just showing you how to get the freaking app up and running, and that's it. That's all he doing. I'm not even gonna hold 4 minutes long. The shortest. Why is your tutorials only one video, bruh? I never seen a tutorial with just one video. And then you have support. The support is Gmail. So, and then on the sales page, they talking about it's only one payment, but they do have a funnel. So it's nah. I'm not even gonna like play myself to be like this is super duper awesome, and when I know it's not. So, bruh. Nah, we're not, no, I'm not here for it. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. Go to freaking Google. If you want to create some apps, go to Google, hit up, convert your app to a website, and if you want to outsource this, go on YouTube and contact how to outsource, hold on, how to outsource. I spelled outsource wrong. How to outsource app conversions. No, I'm gonna put like how to actually I'm gonna put like how to get started on Fiverr. How to sometimes you gotta ask the right questions. App creator. So this don't make no sense, guys, bruh. I put all my bonuses up and stuff for this freaking product, and then I go and do some more research about the product, and I'm like, yo, this product is butt. But guys, all you gotta do is just go on freaking YouTube. It's acting stink. They not even showing that thing. Oh, it says how I paid 5 developers to create an entire app for me. People was paying 5 developers to create an app, bruh. I paid 5. It's the same thing. I hired developers on Fiverr to create an entire app, no code, no building. So I made 30, what is that? That's 3,000 per month as a Fiverr copywriter, no experience. Alright, guys, like, all you gotta do is look it up. Look it up on freaking YouTube, Google. They have multiple freaking website convert to app things already. Get started for free. This is just Panda Suite. This is just one out of the many, guys. I'm done with this freaking review, man. I'm gonna get a free Aweber, and yes, guys, pick this up because if you getting tired of monthly payments when it comes down to your Awebers, your email list or whatever, you trying to build an email list, you don't got no money. You don't even got 5,000 or 500 subscription yet, bro. Get this free Aweber. I'm about to have linked in my bio in my comments, not my bio, my own description in my comments, guys. But yeah, this is it. I'm not really feeling app creators, so I appreciate anybody who stayed to the end of my video. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next.